Hey everybody, this video is all about working with images. When we work with the web, we need to resize images so that they download faster and they fit onto the page. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you a program called Picasa. Picasa is a free product that you can download. It's a Google product. It's available on the web. You just do a search on Picasa. It'll take you to this website and you can download and install it. So I already have it installed. It's ready to rock and roll. So from here, I'm going to be going into another folder onto my desktop. I just called it Photos. It can be anywhere on your computer. I'm just purely putting it here for ease of access. Here we've got two photos. I was out and about the other day taking some photos. Let's just learn a little bit about the image. You can see here that it's 4,928 pixels. And that's wide by 3264 deep. And it also weighs, or in megapixels, 5.6 meg. So that's a massive file. That's really just designed to print, and for the web, you really do need to compress it and get it to a size that's usable. So from here, to get it in so we can use it, we right-hand click it and open with, where is it? There you are. And what I do is I open it with Picasa Photo Viewer. So it gives me a bit of a look at the image. Yes, that's the one I want to work with. So I can right hand click again and then go edit in Picasa. So it brings it up into Picasa, at which time I can simply export it. What exporting does is it allows me to resize it. So let's go through that process. I always create a new folder called Web Ready. You can see here it's placing it into the photo folder, which was on my desktop, called Web Ready. I have this ticked, which says add numbers to file names to preserve order. And from here, I can nominate how big I want the image. I can, type it in. I can use the pre-formatted ones. I'll just choose 640 for the purpose of the demo. From here, I can choose how much I want to compress it. So I'm just going to leave it at normal. And I can add a watermark if I want to. From here, this will appear in the bottom right-hand corner. So when I export that now, that's placed a new folder into that existing one. And you can see here that the folder name has been created and we're ready to rock. Let's have a little look at it. So you can see here it's been resized and it's got the watermark. Now one little tip is when you're working with images on the web, give them a name, don't just leave them as the default. I right hand click and I go rename, and I would actually type in the name of your business here. Google can read the names of images. It's another good little tip for search engine optimization. So if you wanted to, you could even add in another keyword like linseed. So here we're just getting some bonus points. And we've got this image which is now 640 by 424, and it only weighs in kilobytes 52. So a huge compression in terms of taking a original image and preparing it for the web. Now in the Picasa again, we can work with it. I love the cropping tool. So for example, if I wanted to remove this say fence, I just clicked on crop. And then I can then just highlight by clicking and dragging over the image. Once you've highlighted over the image, then you come over and you click apply. So this is taken out the fence line, it's zoomed in a little bit more. Again though, just keep your eye on the bottom here. We still need to export it because it's still 3,900 pixels. So I'll export that now to 640. I'll put it in the same folder. Just a little tip, if you name the folder the same name as the one that was already created, it drops it into the same folder. I'm going to click export, and we now have got two. We've got the one that's cropped without the, let's have a little look, right hand click, open with viewer, and you can see here that doesn't have a fence line anymore. The other thing about Picasa is that you can add some text. So by all means, just click on it, and then just type Stony Creek oil. You can move that around if you want, put it in a position. You can make it larger. So here, for example, we can come and make it 48 and just position it. You can add a little border around it. You can change the font, the colors, all sorts of things here. Once you're happy with that, just click apply. And again, come down, export, get rid of the watermark this time, and we'll resize that at 800 purely just to make it a different size. And we are done. So now we've got three pictures. One's just been resized, one's been cropped, and one has some text on it. Again, go through and rename these, and then we need to take these off the desktop and we need to upload those to our website so we can use it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.